What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the butter down in this pan, turn it on really quick, chop up my onions, get them ready for the pan as well. I'm gonna chop down some of these herbs, my garlic, it's gonna be great for the dumplings, and then twine up the rest of the herbs so I can get them into the flavorful broth. This is all gonna get into the pot, along with some whole black peppercorns. All right, so I've got my chicken in here. I'm gonna get some chicken stock down. About 6 cups are gonna go in. 6 cups of water. What I'm gonna do is bring this to a nice boil and poach my chicken up. Remember my little herbs that I went ahead and twined up? We've got the parsley, the sage, and the thyme. I'm gonna take those out because I've already gotten the flavor from them. And plus, look at the color. It's not really totally appealing. I'm gonna get my chicken out as well. I wanna get some flour in here, and then I'm gonna add in some of the broth from the pot. So 2 cups of flour go in. This isn't baking, it's totally an eyeball thing. And then what I want to do is do a heavy dosing of salt. You don't want a dumpling that you can't taste, it's just floury. And then remember the herbs that I chopped up earlier? We've got a mirror effect. We've got the sage, the parsley, and the thyme that I also wrapped up and put into that broth to make it nice and flavorful and earthy. Put that in there as well. What I want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and build a well in the center. I'm going to add in this chicken stock and slowly start to incorporate it. What I'm looking for is a moist but firm dough that I can make into a ball and roll out into dumplings. All right, just rolling this out to about 1/4 inch thickness here. And then what I'm gonna do is make squares, and then out of those squares, make triangles. They cook a lot faster, of course, when they're small. So just kind of go in and make your little triangles. I'm just adding the last of my dumplings into this flavorful broth that we went ahead and poached the chicken in. It was bone-in, skin-on chicken that I went ahead and just shredded off of the bone. I'm gonna get it right back into my pot. All right, just gonna get out my chicken and dumplings. Look at that. I'm gonna get some of this. Yeah, Mom waited all day to get her praise for this meal. It's amazing.